Hi guys, Faz this side here once again. In this video, I am going to show you how you can run ads and what are the requirements to run ads in the professional way. For that professional way, we have to create a business manager ID and an ad account, and we have to connect our Facebook page, Insta page, and our ad account. So then only we can run the ads. If a client requirement is to run the ads, we are adding their credit cards to their ad account on the billing section, and we are getting their business manager. And one more thing, this is the professional way where you can give access of your all digital assets instead of giving your credentials. So it is very good, right? So that the advertiser get all access to run the ads. So that's it. So that's the process I'm just showing you in this video. So let's dive into this video.
To create your digital assets, click new tab and just search business.facebook.com/create. So you can see here, right, our URL, and click create an account. So you just have gave your business name. I just copying my page name here because this is our business, right? So that's why. And on the below you just have gave your name. So I'm just giving my client name. Okay, this on the business email side you just give your normal email too and click submit. So let's see what happened. My client is already created business manager. So go to this URL business.facebook.com/settings. Right, there are lots of business managers, but I just choose this one. Right, and now we are on the back end. Just scroll down, click business info. We have to give your complete business details. Click edit button and you just have fill out those all details. You don't have any website, then you can copy paste your Instagram URL here. Right, and scroll down. We just have verify our email too. So you can see here our email address unverified, right? Undefined. So give your email, click save, and we have to send our verification to our email. So you can see here resend email to confirm changes. Right, you can see here please check your email to verify this email address. I'm just checking my email. Sometimes it takes to verify at least 24 hours, so it is not working for here right now. I'm just trying after 24 hours. You can see here again I'm sending email verification. Okay, let me open my email. So you can see I'm just refreshing this my email inbox. I just check out primary, promotion folder, and social. There is no email. You can check out on spam. Right, here it is. So click confirm now. So you can see here your email address has been verified. So our email is verified right now. So go to the pages. You can see here our page is added, but we are going to add giving access by ourselves. So click add people and select your name, and you just have give all access for yourself. Here we are giving access to ourselves, right? So I'm just selecting everything and click assign. Right, click done, and then go to the ad accounts. We don't have any ad account, so that's why we are creating a new ad account. So just give a normal name here. I'm giving my client's page name here. And you can choose your time zone also regarding to your country. My client is from India, by the way, so that's why I'm just taking my time zone as Asia, Kolkata. And you can choose your currency too. Right, click next and click my business. This ad will be used for your business, right? So that's why click create. So we have to give access here also for ourselves. Manage ad account. So as of now, just ignore this ad payment information, close that one. Now we are added our page and we are added our ad account, and now we are going to add our Instagram account. Click that one and you just have to give access. Click login. You just have login with your credentials here and click login. And one more thing, you must have saved this information. Right, click save information. So that's how we are added. You can see here we are added our Instagram here, but we have to give access ourselves to the Instagram also. So click add people and select your name and give all access. And in the next video I will show you how you can give access to the advertiser.
And thank you for watching this video, and I really appreciate that. It means a lot to me. You just completed this video, and stay tuned to my channel for regular updates. Until then, bye bye.